the people. What is the name of this place? What is this place name again? Oh, cool down. Nice. The people, then still every little thing. Yeah guys, I'm done with the flake. Flake, it tastes good. I love the flake. The corn, yeah, very nice. Tough. You have this thing on it. This sweet stuff. Not too sweet, but it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying it so far.
If you don't know the song, you can call Videographyer next media.
Yeah guys, so this is our birthday and we're at the marina, so you guys can see what's going on. It's our 7th birthday. 7th birthday, Alisa? 6th birthday. It's our 6th birthday. And we're at the marina today. There are 6. That's good. Normally leaching here to the over there so people, but it's not over there right now. No. Oh, go on.
Look, some more here now.
This is the beautiful Errol Fleming Marina. Yeah guys, big up on yourself, you know, man, you see it. I don't know, say Dex Media already, you know, people, you see it. So right now people, we are going to ice cream shop. Because I don't know it's my daughter's birthday today, so we are going to ice cream shop for her. And the ice cream shop here there in Port Antonio Square. So you know, just like, share and subscribe, see me, is it? Alright, you're gone too far. Mommy. You're gone too far. Hope you say place there. See the people, this is the ice cream shop right here in Port Antonio, is it? Yeah man, right next to the Texaco gas station over there. Hello. See the birthday girl, I want to set her up for me. Yeah. At least tell her where you want. Or show you where you want. Oh, cookie and cream? Or vanilla and chocolate? Which one you prefer? Eh? Cookie and cream? Cookie and cream. Say yes. Go on like you can't talk. Say yes. See the people? What is the name of this place? What is this place name again? Oh, cool down. Nice. The people, they still every little thing. What else you want? Yeah, she like them something here, yeah. Toppings. Yes, you want toppings. Make sure you eat it off, you know. Alright, so someone like to fix up something for me. So what you have in mind? I like grape nuts. What you have similar to that? Cookie and cream? You have things with peanut and everything? Like any nuts thing? Cookie and cream, yeah? Cookie and cream. That is similar, that is nearest thing to it. Alright. I'm smoke you. You can give me, we take a cookie and cream, eh? Yeah people, so right now I'm going to sample my own, is it? I take cookie and cream. Hello, so this is the best in Portland, right? Best in Portland, alright? Yeah, it was highly recommended by a person to come here, is it? You like it? Yeah? Yeah, people, so when you can, if you need ice cream or cake, pastry, you can come right here. Thank you. How much more you know? Yeah guys, so it actually tastes good, as it? Yeah guys, it's good. Yeah man. Very good. Yeah guys, see it there now. I was gonna say the corn. The corn. And thing. I have some chocolate thing around it, does it? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you have anything to put it in? This way too nice.
No, you don't want to eat too much of the ice cream, but it melts it out.
The guys, it's good.
You know, but truly would like melting out. That's why I'm eating it. You tell when you first drink, it's probably ice cream.
Thank you.
Alright, good.
Turn it there. She can't eat what she wants.
Alright, cut
No,
it,
just
cut
drop
it.
it in there, yeah, man.
Eat what you want now. You know,
Start
when
take
you
picture,
cut
use
it-
the phone and take picture.
Yeah. Eat. They know they cool with extra.
Yes, I was gonna say what going people. It's a very nice environment. The environment friendly. Right at the Alta Port Antonio, see there? Texaco gas station right there. Right next to the Texaco gas, the opposite there. So it's very easy to find. And you can come outside out here and chill out, like you see the place name Cool Down. Yeah? Yeah guys, I'm down to the flake. Flake, it tastes good. I mean, I love the flake. The corn, yeah, very nice.
A good idea, Shine.
Tough. You have on this thing on it. This sweet stuff. Not too sweet, but it's okay.
Maya, sesame juice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying it so far.
Hey, Maya.
You want that now? Well, people say to show a piece of muffin cake, you know, is it? Better piece of muffin cake. Hello, miss. Can I have one of these cake? On. The one they want? Alright. See the people shall enjoy cake and all and things, is it?
Hello?
Man shall enjoy a cake and all. So Maya talk to you there.
You want
Yeah guys, so I give it a 10 out of 10, is it? Yeah man, ice cream good. Everything good.